Okay, Thomas, good morning. I'm going to show you here underneath this model house. This is a 1040. You can see it a little bit here. Okay, that piece right there is the trailer. Directly above it, I'm going to zoom in here so you can get this close. Okay, so this piece separates from this piece. So the house comes up and off, and then it can sit wherever it needs to along this continuous rail that runs the length of the house. All of this from here down, so everything on top of the tires stays behind. You see the flashed belly there? And this attaches to a pier. Here, I got a little ladder or something. So let's say that's your piers on your site. You can flatten your tires, lift it up on blocks, and then shimmy it down into place like you would a mobile home or a modular. And then you take the trailer and you drive it out from underneath it while the house is sitting elevated on top of the foundation. And then you set the foundation once it's done. And we weld to plates that we pour into the concrete piers. Or if somebody has a stem wall that goes all the way around it, then you could do the same thing. Just weld that place right here. You know, weld this to your pier underneath. But other than that, you know, the fact that the bottom piece right there is a trailer, and the top is the house with an engineered foundation that it's permanently affixed to. So this piece, boop, pops off, and you can set it down, and then the wheeled vehicle drives away, and you can put it underneath as many as you want. See, that's not welded here. It's bolted in all these locations underneath. I'll try and get the camera to zoom out here. Let's see if I can get a couple of bolts to show up. There's one. There we go. There they are. So you can kind of see them down the bottom of the chassis there. So you go under there with an impact wrench and unscrew those, and then the foundation stays behind and the trailer comes back home for another unit. Hope that explains how the two-piece modular system works, but it's kind of a one-size-fits-all. It'll let you stay on wheels if you need to, and if you need all of that from there down to go away, well, we can make that happen too. All right, sir, I'm going to post this to YouTube, and we'll discuss. Talk soon.